We are coming up to the Georgia Dome. Look at all this. A sea of red. Huh? I'm walking with a Georgia Bulldog. That Bulldog shirt. And a roll tide. Roll the toilet paper. We ain't worried about LSU. This is Alabama. Roll Tide, Roll Tide. We got them, Roll Tide. Look at that. Roll Tide. That's right. We got more Alabama fans out here. There we go. We got some more Alabama right here. Roll Tide. Oh. Start throwing beads on. Okay. All right. The Georgia Dome. Roll Tide. Tide. Roll Tide.
That's what it is. Roll.
All right. Georgia Bulldog going down.
Right. That's it, baby. Bulldogs are going down.
The dogs going back to the dog pound.
Hit them up.
Get them neutered. Get them neutered. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
I don't hear no them dogs or how about them dogs. Roll Tide. Roll Tide. Roll Tide. Oh, we got pure fan. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Ah, look at all the Alabama. Don't be putting your finger out there, man. Come on, man. This is a PG. Yeah. I like that. Need what?
I was going to see they had a nice burger stand.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Roll Tide.
He's DB Tide.
Roll Tide. Come on. Roll Tide.
Yeah.
We got it. That's right. We are at the Georgia Dome. Roll Tide right here, right? Roll Tide? Right here, look at that Roll Tide beauties. Roll Tide, Roll Tide. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Roll.
We got them. We got them boys today. It's gonna be a sad day in the Georgia. Roll Tide. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide, baby.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll damn Tide. Come on now, get some energy here now. There we go. We got some Bama beauties over here. Roll time! Roll time! There we go. There we go.
Is that a camera?
Huh?
Is that a camera?
Yeah, it's a new camera. It's a 1080p.
Is it on?
Yeah.
How can you?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
You tell by you hook it to the computer.
This thing is tiny.
Yeah.
How much did that cost? I want to get one of those.
It was that Black Friday.